Man, y'all look at this, man. Look how they put this together. They had no type of solder or anything on here, man.
Oh my God!
I might well just put some bubble gum on here, man. What the? I might well just put some bubble gum on here, man.
Hey yo, what the?
Just like they say, putting it together with bubble gum. Man, come on.
Don't worry, don't fret. Trust God, man.
Another beautiful day. What's good, guys? It's your boy Tony B and
Nick.
Yeah, we got Taj in the video today, guys. Hey, this is a video I've been putting off for a long time, y'all. We're gonna have to work on the C10, but it's some stuff that I really hate doing, man. It's wiring, bro. As y'all can see, your boys was putting to
You ever had a dreams that you had?
You stupid.
Boy, I messed up bad, yeah, but
Come on now, dog.
man, I messed up bad there, but yeah, we gotta fix this bubblegum wrapped wiring. They got two wires going into one. Man, I don't know what was going on. Why would they have to splice into these wires like that? That's what I'm thinking. I just don't like this just because it could be a fire hazard. These right here, they were done right, I believe, but we'll probably still get those out and solder them. These over here, same way, two wires into one, whatever. It's crazy, man. And the wires back here, they're not ran. I'm gonna have to rerun them because actually what I did, I actually cut them on accident when I was taking the bed out. But we got these over here in the box. But man, this is something I really do not want to fool with today, y'all. It's just a beautiful day and I want to do something else, but I know if I don't do it now, I'm not going to do it later on. You know, I got the little simple diagram. You know, it's not nothing hard with these old trucks. I printed this out a long time ago. I was supposed to do this a long time ago. And here go the wires back here for the back. So yeah, I guess we're going to go ahead and get this thing rolling, man, and stop complaining. Let's get it done, y'all. Let's go. How you feel? You worked on Dad's truck. How you feel about it, man?
I don't know.
You don't know? So you don't feel good about yourself?
I won't feel good if I can drive it.
Oh, you want to drive it? Oh, maybe we can get that maybe we can get that done, all right? All right, guys, now that we got the battery on there and I'm out this heat, man, that darn sun right there tearing my head up. Y'all already know that forehead ain't got no hair on it, so it's just burning it, y'all, just like an egg on there or something, man. Yeah, frying an egg on my forehead, y'all. But all right, the first thing what we're going to do is I'm going to check and see if the headlights and stuff work. I can't remember because I never drove this truck at night, so I really don't know. So what we're gonna do is put some headlights in there, try to see if it come on, and you know, go from there. If it's coming on, I'm not gonna mess with any of the wires. I'm gonna just leave it the way they are, but I'm going to solder them and put heat wrap on there, you know, just so it'll be a little bit more secure than what it is now, because I don't know what's underneath there. It's probably bubble gum underneath all that electrical tape. But the back,
Bubblegum.
yeah, man, that's just a phrase that people say when it's put together, you know, half-heartedly. Your boy dropping knowledge now. Yeah.
Don't let your kids watch it.
No, not real bubblegum. They just putting it together all crazy. Let me show you. Look. I mean, this ain't just horrible, because, you know, at least they put electrical tape on here. I've had it one time. Somebody put duct tape around here, man. But this is what I'm talking about when I say they just put it together anyway. We're going to make it look a lot better than this. All right? That's cool with you? Huh?
Yeah, that's cool.
All right. All right, guys. What we're going to do, we're going to get the headlights, try to see if it works. I'm going to have him go in there, try to flick it on. If it don't work, then we're going to have to see where the problem lies. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go. Did it work?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Hey, stop! Why?
All right, guys, now that we know that these lights work, I'm going to unravel this tape so we can see what's behind here. I already know. I've done it before. I ain't gonna tell no lie. You just twist these wires together. But man, hold on. I need to disconnect that negative battery terminal. I don't never need to fool with any kind of wiring without doing that. Woo! All right. Negative battery terminal disconnected. Always practice safety first, y'all. Safety first. Don't be like me. Man, he got double wires to each one of these. I wonder if this was the dual headlight.
Perfect.
The dual headlight. I don't think he would have converted a dual headlight to a single headlight, because the dual headlight Silverados are nicer to me than the custom deluxe version. Yeah, he just twisted these things up together. I wonder why. Man, to be honest, I'm not gonna go through all the hassle of trying to see why he put both of these together. I just know it works. All the light works. So we're just gonna solder this up. Just make sure it's a solid joint. Because at any time, you know, you move it and shaking, this, you know, what you just twisting it together, that's not gonna hold, man. Sometimes, you know, you're gonna get rain up in there. Let me show y'all. And even just going over bumps, these things could just come loose. As you can see, you know, he ain't got no solder on there, nothing. I know, wait, hold on. He got two greens. I thought two greens from that paper over there was the horn. Okay, is that one horn? And then, well, that's the horn right there, right? And that only has one wire going to it. You see one, and then they don't have another. I wonder if it just needs a ground for it to work. Because I don't know if my horn works. I don't think it does. Let me see. Oh, this is why I don't like working on cars that's been hacked up like this. I'd rather have old rotted original. Yeah, it don't work. See, I don't know if I'm gonna worry about that, man. What should I do, guys? I don't know. You know, it's gonna be eating at me if I don't. I don't know. I gotta do all that wiring in the back, man. I don't know.
A few moments later.
Stop it.
All right, guys, I guess I fixed it, put some WD-40 in there, and they kind of loosened it up, I guess. And now all I gotta do is find out where that positive terminal goes, on here where the power comes from, the horn relay, and we'll see where that's at. I don't know where it's at. Sorry if y'all can't hear me. This AC unit keep going. I can't turn the AC off in the house. But yeah, I'm gonna sand down some of these contacts on here to make sure this is good. I'm gonna reinstall it, and then hopefully we can find the horn relay wire. Lord, I don't know why my camera been going out like that, man, but I guess I wasn't saying nothing too important. I'm gonna go ahead and solder these wires up, try to make sure we get this horn going, and then that'll be it, y'all. Trying to hurry up, hurry. Bruh, no wonder I was out here sneezing like crazy, man. Did y'all see all that pollen? Man. But I got everything up front done. I actually had to redo on this side one of the ground cables because it was corroded inside. And Taj, he didn't abandon me. He starting to shoot ball out here. But man, I think that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna have to come back out here and do the back. Cause I gotta go and eat, man. Cause shoot, I ain't really eating all day. What's up, man?
You think you can beat me in a race?
Oh yeah, I can beat you in the race any day.
Okay, come on then.
Okay, come on then. Okay, come on then.
How many of y'all mama been good? She cooked that collard greens, fat back meat.
No, man, we ain't finna race right now. I don't want to hurt his feelings on camera, y'all.
Damn.
Hey, he think he can beat me now, y'all.
Yo, Dad, I can beat you with my shoes off, Dad.
With your shoes off? Oh yeah, you a country boy then. You running with your shoes off there. I might be scared of you a little bit.
Dad. Dad, I'm fine then, let's go.
No, not right now. Maybe later, okay? All right, we got to go inside and eat.
We do.
Yeah, we got to go eat, man. All right, y'all. It's probably be tomorrow when I get back and do the tail lights back there. Because everything's looking good. Got the turn signals. Like I said, I had to redo a ground on this side. So majority of my wires, they may not look the best. But what I did, I wiped them off. And most of them are working the way they need to be. So, you know, I can't complain. See y'all tomorrow.
3:28 a.m.
Oh boy, good morning, y'all. Good morning. I had to get out there super early because, man, look at this stupid cloud, man. They say it's finna rain here in a minute. I'm gonna try to see if I can get, oh man, my dang door was open, y'all. Oh, I'm tripping. Man. Yeah, but I'm gonna try to see if I can get these back tail lights rewired. Can't talk much, man. I gotta get this done, y'all. Stay tuned. Golly, look how much dirt on these things, y'all. I gotta clean this up. Can't put this back in here like that. Dang, that one's blowed, y'all. Dang, y'all, look at this. How many times did they splice into this harness? Good gracious alive, man. At least they used 3M. But I'm gonna take these out. Cause all this doing is making extra bulk, man. I don't like this. Oh, it's raining. Man. Come on. All right, update, guys. I got everything wired up, but I have the bulbs on the wrong side. I didn't wire it on the wrong side, but I actually ran the bolts on the bulbs on the wrong side. So all I got to do is swap them out. Maybe if it slows down raining a little bit, I'll show you guys that I got everything situated. But my brake lights, blinker lights working, reverse lights, I don't know yet. Cause I ain't been running it. I'm gonna make a video the reason why I haven't been running it and driving it here soon. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, let me go ahead and swap these around, and then I might show y'all a little quick clip. If not, you know what I'm saying, I end the video here because this video been long enough, man. And shoot, this rain ain't gonna slack up. It's gonna go all the way into the night, y'all. So let me go ahead and do that.
12 seconds later.
Well, all right, guys, that is all what we're gonna have for 2015. Well, this rain ain't slacking up, y'all. So, hey, that's all what we have for today. I was gonna do a little cinematic for you guys with the new headlights. I'm not gonna use these, but I forgot that one of those bolts, one of those bulbs were already blown, so it wouldn't be no cinematic if all of them weren't working. But I know it's working because I checked it with my voltmeter. You got power coming back there whenever I turn on the blinker switches, so everything's good, y'all. Hey, I want to thank y'all for watching the video, man. If you like the video, make sure you hit that like button. Also, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and if you are subscribed, make sure that notification bell is on, man, so you can get all the videos, all the bangers that we drop, man. All you got to do is hit that little notification bell, buy the subscribe. Hey, and that's all you got to do, y'all. Once again, I appreciate y'all for watching the video. Y'all take it easy. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.
Psych!